Hey, it's another Monday Morning with Mike, right here from Appleton Airport, the fastest way to sunshine. So I'm here at ATW, Appleton Airport, and I'm here with Abe. And Abe's going to tell you a little bit more about the new express drop-off here at ATW.
This is our revamped express park right behind me, the desk here, and that's to allow you to park right on the front curb, bring your keys in, drop them off, and you're on your way to the checkpoint. Breeze through that, and you're at your gate.
Abe's going to tell us a little bit more. There are now 5 airlines that fly through ATW, but how many nonstops do you have now?
So we have 23 nonstops operating out of Appleton Airport, so you have plenty of choices of where you need to go. And we also include 5 daily departures to the biggest hubs across the country. So you can get to literally anywhere right out of Appleton Airport.
Oh! The last time I flew, I saw this TSA PreCheck, and I didn't know anything about it. So Abe, fill me in. What is TSA PreCheck all about?
PreCheck is the fastest way to get through the checkpoint at any airport. And while we have very short lines in Appleton, when you get to your larger airports, it's going to allow you to bypass the general boarding checkpoint lane. So we host at Appleton Airport 6 different events throughout the year where you can come here, you can do your interview, and receive your TSA PreCheck designation. We make it very easy, very fast. And if you want more information, you can go to atwairport.com to find where those dates are. Make sure you sign up through the TSA website first, and then come have your interview here.
I've seen people go through, and you really avoid those crowds.
Yes, you do.
Okay, so we're in the brand new concourse here at Appleton Airport. And Abe's going to tell us a little bit about the new restaurant behind us and then some other really great features that this airport has. So Abe, fill us in on the changes that have happened since last March when we were here.
Yeah, this new concourse opened last April, right in time for the NFL draft, and we hosted thousands of people in through this concourse, so it was very welcome. Right in front of, or right behind us, is our Fratello's restaurant. So great partnership with Fratello's, bringing really high quality food, to the airport, which is great, and customers very much appreciate that. The other things that we did in this new concourse really were upgrading the restrooms and making sure that they were much larger, much easier to get into and out of. Plus, we added some really nice features like our autism-friendly room, a quiet room, and a service animal relief area. So if you have a service animal, you no longer have to go outside. They can go to the restroom right inside here in a special room. So making it much easier for customers as they travel through the airport and providing the amenities that they want to see.
And that's something that you really got to look at here. When we talk about flying, I mean, it's not everyone's favorite way to transport, but it's the fastest way. And for these amenities, you're not going to find this at every airport. And this is something that's special to Appleton Airport. This is the sensory room. So it was being occupied before, but now we have a chance to show it to you. And this is really something that is special for the travelers that have autism or other sensory challenges. And this is a great room. The door closes, and you can be in this room as a family. So one of the amenities added here is the ATW Beer Garden. Abe, how did that partnership happen?
Well, we're always looking at local partnerships to enhance the customer journey here at Appleton Airport. And that was a great partnership with the Fratello's Group and Fox River Brewing, that we could bring out our own light lager, really to have fun with our guests and enhance the travel experience.
Okay, so we talked about express drop-off, but now Abe's going to fill us in on express pickup.
This is a new area we're developing just because of the excitement that people are building around the Express, the amount of people using it. So we're creating new Express pickup location to make it faster and easier on your way out as you grab your keys and head out to your car. Just remember, we are offering also Express detail, so you can get your car detailed so you can come home to a nice, clean car.
So really, when you look at it, Express pickup is the ideal way for you to finish your travel here. Now, one of the things I want to highlight, we have our annual dinner coming up on January 29th. And this is a good time to buy your tickets now. One of the silent auction items is a gift basket from ATW with a $500 flight voucher in there. So now you can experience everything we've talked about here with that voucher to fly. Maybe it's spring break. Maybe it's just to get out of the cold weather we're having. But here's an opportunity for you to fly ATW and attend the annual dinner on January 29th. By the way, did you see the Monday morning with Mike with me making basketball shots? I couldn't make a shot to save my soul.
It's gonna make the viewers dizzy.
Yeah.